X cross means extended cross. So this is how an X cross works. So you've got a 2x2x1 block here, and then the corresponding edge is here. So you have to insert it like keyhole method, or you can use block building to form an X cross. So X cross means that you paired up your first F12 while building your cross. If you want to have more chances on building X crosses, you can try to be color neutral, because color neutrals gives you the opportunity to solve your cross on different sides on the Rubik's Cube. But just note that not on every scrambles you can do X cross. So here's an example of how the X cross should be made. Alright, so the scramble will be on screen. So for this case, we have these two pieces, and that can be matched up like this. So this is the first characteristics that an X cross should have. And then I would insert this edge like that while preserving this cross edge. So now these two can be joined up like so. However, since we want to build a cross with it, so we have to insert this one and then insert the last cross edge, and now we have formed an X cross. As I said before, the X cross can be made using the keyhole method or the block building method. So this is how the keyhole method works. You either have the edge or the corner in its spot, while the other corresponding pieces is missing. For example, these two. So you have to insert this one using the slot which has nothing. So you want to insert like that. And now it's block building. So block building is frequently used in FMC, but can also be used in CFOP as well. For this case, so you see these two can be matched up like that and then pair with this edge. So here's a 2x2x2 block. So you don't necessarily have to build the cross for block building, but you have to build this 2x2x2 block or 2x2x3 block. I'll give one last example for building the X cross. So we have a cross piece there, and there. And these two are matched like so, and the corresponding edge is here. So what we could do is L prime, F prime, R, and then do a D to insert this one in. So we already have this 2x2x1 here, and then we could insert this one, and then a D2, and then the X cross is made. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something in this video, and we'll see you in the next video.